All right. Almost there. Got the front end disassembled. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, this is a remake video. Yeah. Other video was hush hush. Anyway. Drain the radiator. Took off shroud, took off AC condenser. About what? How long you been over here? About an hour? Yeah. About an hour into it. Hour into the teardown. Hope to be able to pull the 6 out today. Pull the 6 out today and pull the 6 out today and get prepared to put the 8 in. And that transmission fluid nasty. That stuff so stink. Woo! Make me feel bad. I ain't changed it yet. Don't do what I did, kids. All right, Jada. Take this and put it back there on that stack. Don't throw it on there. Just set it back there on that stack back there. Okay. As you can see, we at the meat and bones of this thing here. Yeah, I was about to put you on camera. Don't lay back out. My nephew over there about to fall out the chair. He's so sleepy. So, yeah. About to start disconnecting some of all the other stuff. And get it right. We got to take the power steering loose. Grounding scrap. Vacuum hose. Gotta take the dog house off. Gotta take the wiring harness out. I'm gonna take all the front assembly off because it's easier just to take it out that way. And you got ready to pull this thing. Alright? Hit that stop button.